Malo soy fua. So when we're talking about a sequence of events, as in A, B, C, then D, that then D is expressed in Samoan as ona di lea. So if sa'oka ele, or I showered, ona moi lea, then sleep, ABC, ona sleep lea. That phrase ona moi lea, or sleep, is what happened after sa'oka ele. We simply insert the action, or what's being expressed, after the connecting word ona and before the lea. Ona is a word that connects words, and in this case, it's connecting the phrase with what happens next. So the word of the day is actually a connecting phrase, somewhat equivalent to the word then in English, that shows what happens after this occurs. So every day I'm on your phone, oke kalango aku ya oko, ona alu ese lea. After I get it up,